Have you ever dreamt of leaving behind your financial struggles and achieving true wealth? What if I told you there's a time-tested strategy approved by legendary investor Warren Buffett that could transform your financial situation in just 6 months? This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, but a powerful habit that can unlock your path to financial freedom. Stay tuned as we delve into the secrets of Warren Buffett and discover the key to unlocking your financial potential. Warren Buffett stands out among billionaires. Despite a net worth of around $16 billion, he lives modestly. He resides in a house purchased for $31,000 in 1957. He favors regular transport over private jets and enjoys bridge over lavish parties. This unique blend of immense wealth and a simple lifestyle captivates global attention. Buffett's journey to wealth began in childhood, selling various items door to door. His preference for independence led him to newspaper delivery. Despite his success, he remains an avid reader, dedicating 5 to 6 hours daily to reading. Active well into the 21st century, Buffett remains vigilant in the market, offering valuable advice. He emphasizes the importance of timing and patience in wealth accumulation. Often seen as an investment guru, Buffett attributes much of his success to prudent financial habits. He stresses their significance, regardless of one's current financial situation. In the realm of wise spending, Warren Buffett advises a simple yet profound principle. Evaluate purchases not in terms of money, but in the hours worked to earn that money. For instance, if you earn $4,000 monthly and aim to buy a $40,000 Tesla, consider if it's worth the 250 hours of work it represents. Buffett emphasizes planning finances regardless of income, as even $1 million requires careful management to avoid disappearing without a trace. Regarding investments, Buffett advocates for making money work rather than idling in a piggy bank. While a savings account guards against inflation, true wealth growth comes from investing wisely. Buffett suggests understanding investment mechanisms before you dive in, recommending daily news updates and dedicated time to learning. Notably, stocks like Facebook and Google yield 30% returns annually, showcasing the potential of informed investing. Your support in spreading this financial wisdom is invaluable. Buffett's third habit advises embracing unconventional work habits. He finds insights in unlikely places, like McDonald's, believing diverse perspectives are essential for solving big problems. Einstein's groundbreaking papers, written in a patent office, exemplify this approach. Buffett urges curiosity, advocating for exploration beyond mainstream sources to foster unique insights and valuable work. Buffett emphasizes avoiding common financial pitfalls to achieve wealth. Neglecting personal development tops the list. Investing in education and skill enhancement enhances earning potential, making individuals more attractive to employers and better equipped for entrepreneurship. In the business world, knowledge is invaluable, serving as an asset no one can take away. Continuous learning and skill acquisition are crucial for success. Another common financial mistake is relying heavily on credit cards. While they offer convenience, their high interest rates often outweigh their benefits. Forgetting timely payments can lead to hefty debts. Buffett advises eliminating this spending habit to avoid overspending and saving money for priorities like education. Additionally, chasing the latest technology drains finances unnecessarily. Assessing the necessity of new gadgets is crucial for wealth accumulation. Buffett, known for his frugality, prioritizes functional technology over unnecessary upgrades. Frequenting bars and restaurants is often detrimental to financial goals. Socializing at home is a cheaper alternative, preserving emotional well-being while saving money for more important endeavors. When it comes to clothing, simplicity reigns among the wealthiest individuals, including Warren Buffett. Flashy brands often inflate prices for mere labels. Affordable alternatives abound in stores. Unused gym memberships are another common financial pitfall. Despite tempting offers, most people abandon their memberships, resulting in wasted money. Buffett advocates for an active lifestyle, but warns against frivolous spending on memberships. Regularly monitor subscriptions to avoid unexpected charges. Many services offer enticing deals but require credit card details, leading to unnoticed renewals and dwindling funds. Take control by setting reminders to cancel subscriptions before renewal, ensuring money is allocated wisely. Warren Buffett cautions against the hefty expense of buying new cars, advocating for used vehicles and careful maintenance to avoid financial strain. Assess your financial situation before such purchases, avoiding luxuries beyond your means. Gambling, though tempting for quick gains, often leads to financial ruin. Buffett emphasizes the importance of long-term financial decisions over short-term gains, warning against the allure of gambling's fleeting rewards. Smoking, another drain on finances and health, warrants attention. Quitting can yield substantial savings, bolstering personal budgets significantly. Adopting a long-term perspective and avoiding impulsive decisions are key to achieving lasting financial success. Warren Buffett, hailed as one of history's greatest investors, offers insights not only into wealth accumulation, but also into essential personal qualities for true richness. Developing sound financial habits is paramount, with Buffett advocating for disciplined saving practices. Avoiding losses is another cornerstone of Buffett's philosophy. He emphasizes prudent risk management and selective investment, cautioning against risky ventures. Buffett's strategy includes maintaining a cash reserve, a tactic that proved crucial during the 2008 crisis. Buffett underscores the reliability of cash over checks, particularly for those with irregular incomes. He advises borrowing cautiously, warning against excessive debt accumulation. By prioritizing financial prudence and shrewd decision-making, individuals can achieve lasting prosperity. Buffett stresses vigilance with small expenses, admiring frugality and recounting anecdotes like buying a company where the owner audited toilet paper rolls. In China, he used American coupons at McDonald's to trim costs. He advises long-term thinking, cautioning against impulsive decisions, and advocating for gradual wealth accumulation through disciplined investing and continuous learning. Minimizing risk and expenses is paramount, with Buffett highlighting the importance of financial literacy in managing money effectively. He warns against excessive materialism, valuing health and friendships as essential components of success. In 1951, Warren Buffett, not yet 21, journeyed to Washington, D.C. and approached Geico's headquarters, where his future mentor, Benjamin Graham, worked. Graham's subsequent 4-hour lecture on the insurance industry marked the beginning of Buffett's association with Geico. Today, Berkshire Hathaway owns Geico, with Buffett referring to its insurance interests as one of the company's crown jewels. Bold actions like Buffett's at Geico have the potential to yield significant rewards. While Berkshire Hathaway initially focused on textile mills, Buffett made the tough decision to divest from them in 1985 due to declining profitability. Such choices, though challenging, are vital for future success. Sacrificing immediate gratification for long-term financial security is a common theme among wealthy individuals. Planning is key to financial success. Buffett advocates for nightly reflection and morning planning, emphasizing the importance of setting goals and adjusting strategies regularly. Now, in conclusion, Warren Buffett's journey from humble beginnings to becoming one of the world's wealthiest individuals is a testament to the power of discipline, strategic decision-making, and continuous learning. His life story underscores the importance of prudent financial habits, long-term thinking, and the willingness to take calculated risks. From seeking mentorship and making tough business decisions, to prioritizing frugality and planning meticulously, Buffett's principles offer invaluable lessons for anyone aspiring to achieve financial success. By embracing Buffett's insights and applying them to their own lives, individuals can navigate the complexities of wealth accumulation with confidence and purpose, forging their path towards prosperity and fulfillment.